Have you tried the 4D and 8A key programming for BMW motorcycle on KeyTool Plus or VVDI2? This function has become highly popular with our users. However, some have found that after completing the 8A key programming for a few BMW motorcycles, there may be DTC on the screen that cannot be cleared. In case where tire pressure monitor malfunction appears after key programming of BMW motorcycles, we can resolve the problem using BIMTOOL or BIMTOOL Pro with the following steps. Step 1. Connect BIMTOOL Pro. Connect BIMTOOL Pro to both the computer and the motorcycle's OBD port. Launch the BIMTOOL Pro software. Navigate to Program and Code. Select Auto Diagnosis from the drop-down menu. Click Connect Car to retrieve vehicle information. Step 2. Programming. Click on Vehicle Programming. Note, the target ISTFN level should be the same as the shipment date. If there's no shipment date available, choose the latest date. Click on FEM. Click Calculate Programming File. The calculation is complete. Gray areas indicate the current module version information. Orange areas indicate the programmable version information. Click Programming to proceed. Step 3. Clear DTC. After programming is completed, read the vehicle's DTC and clear them. Upon clearing the DTC, verify that the motorcycle screen no longer displays any fault codes. For any inquiries or assistance, please feel free to leave a comment or contact our technical support. See you next time.